everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making cinnamon buns. If this is your first time in my channel, kindly consider subscribing. So let's get started. I'll start by adding warm milk, sugar, this is fine, so I'll add flour, salt, and mix. I'll tip it on my workstation and knead it for about 3 minutes until the dough starts to come together. This is a stiff dough and this is fine, so I'll add butter, then mix it properly. And knead it for another 5 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. This is fine. So I'll place it in a greased bowl, cover it with a tea towel and let it double in size. As you can see, the dough has doubled in size, so I'll place it on my workstation. Flour it a little bit and gently use my fingertip to knock out the gas. Then use a rolling pin to roll it into a rectangular shape. Then I'll brush it with butter. And sprinkle cinnamon sugar. And gently roll it. Then rub the tip with water and pinch it together. Now grease the baking pan, place the dough on a chopping board, then use bread knife to cut it into 12 pieces. This is fine. Then I'll cover it with a tea towel and let it double in size. I'll brush it with egg just to give it a little shine. And bake for 25 minutes at 175. Here is our delicious cinnamon bun, soft and fluffy. Thank you for watching and do have a fabulous week. Bye.